What's up, guys? Today, 2 days ago, I ordered a fake dummy iPhone 6. Not the 6, but the 6 Plus, which is pretty awesome. Alright, so I ordered it, and guess what? It came today. So cool. Alright, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. It's the space gray iPhone 6 Plus. So let's get started. Here's the packaging. Alright guys, so I turned it over because I didn't want you guys to see that stuff right there. Alright. And yeah, so I opened the package and inside we get this. Alright, so yeah, so I guess you just open it. Like that. Good packaging so far for a fake dummy. I only paid $11.99, which is like $12 for the 6 Plus, and the 6 was $11.55. So I said, might as well just get the 6 Plus. Alright, so what comes in here? And that's it. Here's the phone. Here's the phone. I guess we call it a phone, right? That is nice. This is nice. Look at that. Look at that, baby. So now, sit down, relax, and take a look at the brand new iPhone 6 Plus. Alright guys, so there it is. Just take a good look at the phone. I guess we call it a phone again. Alright, so let's see. Focus. Alright, so right there we get it's pretty, it moves, but it's like flimsy, but don't matter. Right here we got the buttons. Focus. Yeah. And then other side we got the headphone jack. We got the charging port, and then right there the speaker. That's how it looks from there. Right here the SIM card. I'm not gonna try to move that, but whatever. Here's the button, the power switch, and surprisingly they actually move. They actually click, if you can hear this. Alright, and then right here nothing. At the back you get the camera, flash, which looks totally fake. Well, not that fake, but it looks real, kind of. It's yellow. And then we got that hole right there, and we got the antenna bands. The Apple logo looks a little cheesy, but you know, it's there. Not bad. And right there is the branding of the iPhone and the antenna band. So yeah, so it's actually not that bad, guys. I thought it was gonna be some cheap plasticky type of iPhone because I wanted to order a cheap one, you know, but instead I didn't know this would be coming in the mail. A nice aluminum, well, I guess we call it aluminum, good, nice fake dummy phone 6 Plus, you know. And there's the home button. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. And then the speaker grill right there. But yeah, guys, there it is. So just for fun, I bought I've been having this. Alright. Look, even the camera sticks out like on the real one. That's nice. Alright guys, so there's the phone. Very nice. So yeah, don't it look nice? I like the size, but I'm never gonna get it. Alright, so here's the official silicone blue case. And I'm just gonna pop it on. And nice. It fits. So this is my brand new phone, guys. Hope you guys, nah, I'm playing. It's not my brand new phone. It's a fake phone. Alright. So there you go. This was a short video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I just quickly wanted to do an unboxing of the fake dummy iPhone 6 Plus. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked it. Now let's get to the end of the video. Is it worth it? Well, I always say that, but you know, is it worth it? I mean, you know, like you gotta have a reason. So if you need it, like I need it because I'm gonna do pranks. I'm gonna do reviews. Like instead of using a real model iPhone 6 Plus, I can use a fake one to do review cases of reviews, you know, of the iPhone 6 Plus. So I don't have to buy the full phone. My daily driver is the iPhone 5S. Fits the best in my hand, and you know, yeah. Alright. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below what you want me to unbox or review in my next video. Alright. So yeah, guys, that is gonna do for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.